it on? I don't know how this gonna look or be. My right hand, I'm gonna do like this. Väldigt kladdigt här alltså, jag vet inte om det syns någonting eller vad är det där kladdigt? My name is Freya and Joy, and today I'm going to talk about life and death. This is my second YouTube channel and just started it, and I just want to say this in the beginning because my first YouTube channel, you can still go and see about 200 or 300 videos there about the enlightenment, to enlighten yourself. So everything that happens in your life has a reason. This is true, and many times you don't know exactly when they happen, that what kind of reason they have. Sometimes you will never know, and it's nothing to worry about. It's just about to trust and know this. But sometimes you will see and understand why things happen like they did. And what happened with when I had this YouTube channel, I was here in Australia like I am now, and I had my best laptop I ever had in my life and a very good phone I did YouTube videos with, and all apps and equipment, and I had learned by time how to manage these things, to edit and all. And then things happened time after time that my laptop crashed and my phone was crashed and all this meant that every information I had was gone. I couldn't even get into that email address I had, and of course it's a lot of work to start something new, so I had to understand that it was not possible to, and it wasn't meant either, because I started anew, and this was maybe, or is, the biggest new. It's not a new chapter in my life, this is a new book I'm starting. So it was meant to be this new YouTube channel that I now started. So I welcome you all to subscribe if you like my content. And as you will see, I most of the time shoot my videos outdoors. So I'm a shaman spirit, so all of my lifetime I had that spirit. But first of all, I have to go through 66 years of trials, 66 years, and be consistent in not giving up, which I did sometimes when I tried to take my life, because it was too much for me at those times. But my guardian angels kept me alive and they helped me. So this is now the thing that I really understand, that I have a very unique path here on earth. It takes always longer time when you have a unique path. And you will understand, if you are a very unique person, that you will not come to terms with the reality around you from the perspective of who you really are, before very late in your life. Because if you are that kind of unique person, you have to be very consistent and know what you are doing and never give it up, whatever coming in your way. So this is very important to remember. And to not care about what people think of you, or not care about what feelings other people have when they see or encounter you, because it's all about you managing your life. And so I can say my main work is working as an ecstasy shaman. As an ecstasy shaman, what I will talk about now is important two things: life and death. And I say it one more time, life and death. So when I'm walking here on the beach, we can say, sometimes people say, and I think it's nice to say, that when you don't see your own footprints, it's because you are carried by universe or Mother, Father, God. But I will also say this, which came to me, I channeled it right before I started this video, that I have this myself, to understand that death is always a part of your life. So your life is your life, and then it is also death. So you can say it like this: when you walk by yourself, like I do now on the beach, I can say I hold my hand, and I hold my hand, and that hand holds the hand of death. And consider this. I ask you to consider this. It will be a good thing for you if you really consider what it means to you to always have death companion you all the time in your life. And it is a deep question that I say it's good for you to consider that, because you don't know which day, moment that death is going to strike you. But death is with you all the time in your life. So it's not an enemy. You gotta consider and know that death is your friend. And you gotta consider and understand that a big part of your human life is to be comfortable with living with the mystery of life. The mystery of life. And you can consider that death is a part of mystery of life. He, death is a part of your life. And you don't know when it's going to strike you. And it's a friend. It's a friend. And you can feel it every day, every moment. You get even more grateful for your life and everything you have in your life right now. Consider everything you have right now. Do not go and get lost in dreaming about what you want to have in your life. Be grateful for what you have right now. Because if you didn't have what you have right now in your life, I'm sure you would dream about to have what you have right now in your life. Think of that. And your amazing, totally sacred physical body with everything that it is. That's amazing. And I'm gonna talk more about that in another video. But now I say once again, consider that your life is life and death all the time. It's not that death comes one day. You are walking with death all the time. It's there, and you never know when it's gonna strike. So be conscious and see it as your friend. Give it your hand and say, I love you. Thank you for listening to me. And if you like my content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I haven't won a subscriber yet, so maybe you are going to be the first one. And if you like to, you can give me a comment also. And if some things you want me to talk about, I will do that. Write it down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Blessings.